My video guide will help you to get rid of the adware-type extension called Adskip PRO. Currently, this particular extension is promoted by means of fake browser update alerts that target Google Chrome and other popular browsers. Adskip PRO is the extension designed specifically for Google Chrome. The developers of this service indicate that by installing the extension, you will be able to skip advertisements, but in reality, the extension functions as typical adware. It displays even more ads than you have ever thought. So if you mistakenly add it to the Google Chrome browser, you will start experiencing a lot of troubles related to multiple ads being displayed on your screen. To remove these ads, we recommend you to remove this extension. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So then disable this extension and remove the extension completely. This should fix the issues very well. I would also recommend you to scan your system additionally with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the software through this green button, install the application and start researching your device with its help in order to detect and delete other threats from your system. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. The program will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.